KCC311, the last video for week number 2/week number 3 assignment, we need to create a graphic. Last video, you created a graph from categorical data. So in the background is the categorical data from the data portal. I did the COPA cases, police complaints, and I showed you how to create a categorical graph using the COUNTIF function in Excel or Google Sheets. This is great, but your final project your final submission for this week's assignment is going to be a graphic. So how do we put this in part of a larger graphic so I can see the information better? And remember, that's the whole root of the problem, is that when you went on week number 1, you went to these dashboards, you get good data, but it's really hard to see what am I talking about? What's the categories? The labels here, the data story, as it were, is hard. It's hidden in this version. I want to take this graph and dress it up, as it were. Let me show you how to do that. First step, Google email. Get your Google email. I'm sorry, I said that backwards. Get your Kendall email, which is part of the Google apps, and I'll show you what we're going to do. But your Kendall email, you know how to get there. You'll have more emails than I, but this screen, and then you go over here to this little tic-tac-toe grid, and I want you to click Drive. Google Drive is a online storage system for all sorts of documents. Maybe you've used it in other courses, and you can create new documents. And I'm going to go to my 311 folder, winter 2008. That's this term. All right, and I'm going to go up to New, and you see all the different documents I can create. I can create, that's like Microsoft Word. I can type things. I can make a spreadsheet. Hey, that's the last video. Google Slide. I can make a PowerPoint, but I want to go to Google Drawings. That's where our week 2/3 assignment is going to be. Google Drawings. This is a fancy way, a simple way to create a basic graphic. Now, these are the ones from week 1. Tiny title. For your graphic here in Google Sheets, Google Drawings, let's go up to this T, the text box, and let's make a big title. Let's really impress what I'm talking about. So what is the topic of this graph that I made in the last video? I was talking about the age of police complaints. So let's highlight that. Ages of police with complaints against them. Now, forgive me, I am not an English professor, so that's probably a clunky way to write that. But if I go here and I can make the text bigger, let's say 36, this right away, it's setting a different message than this graph here. Because here I'm like, what am I talking about? I got to squint and see it. Here, I know what's up. And if you're really fancy, you can even make another one underneath, and you say, based on data from ... I'll let you fill in that. But you could say, hey, here's the topic, and here's where the data comes from. Okay. Right away, I'm light years ahead of these old graphics, which are functional, but they're not very stylistical. That's not a word. Stylish. That's what it's going for. All right, title. I got a little information. Now let's get the main event. Let's get this graph over there. So if you see these little dots right here, I can copy the chart. And it says, no, you can't do that. You need to hit this Control-C. So I got to go ahead and do that. So I'm going to hit Control-C. You can't see me do it, but on my keyboard I hit Control-C, and then I switch over here and I hit Control-V. Wait a minute. It didn't want to do that. Let me try that again. Paste. Oh dear. It doesn't seem to be working. Well, guess what? I'm learning this on the fly. Hey, guess what? Plan B. Watch what I'm going to do. Click those triple dots. I'm going to save the image. It says, yeah, you got to save it. Okay. And then I'm going to go right back here, and I'm going to go to this little thing. It's like two little triangles. I'm not sure what's up with that. And I'm going to upload from my computer, and you should be able to see it. Look right there. There's the chart. It is saved for that. So I saved it to my computer, and then I can open it right back there. So once again, first video, I showed you how to make a graph. 3 little dots. You're going to save the graph. You're going to go to this basic graphic, click the little triangle button, the triangle picture, and upload, and you can upload your graph that you just saved. All right, I'm 2/3 of the way through the assignment. Title, little description, graph. This is really good. What is the last part of the graphic that I am looking for? Down in the bottom, just like week number 1, I want to make an observation. But here the difference is, I want the observation right all together. So I could say, hey, my observation is that ... And this is for you to write, not for me to write, but based on the graph, based on the data, you should be able to say, hey, wow, there's a lot of people 30 years old, so I'm surprised there's no younger people, or I'm surprised there's not older people more crazy. I'm going to let you figure out how to write that. That's on your observation. There's no right or wrong as long as you're making some smart analysis of what's going on. But look at this. Title. Right away I know what's going on. give me a little description. Where did you get the data? What's the title of the data set? The graph, front and center. Now I know what's going on. And then an observation. You're putting everything you did in week number 1, but you're putting it in one place so I can read that. I can see a story much more clearly. So once you get through all this, and by the way, in case you missed it, Kendall College email, you click the little grid here, you go to your Google Drive, you go to New, More, I just saw it, Google Drawings. That's how you get to this, to making one of these. And once you make this graphic, then you can go over here to File, and you can download it as either a PDF, an image, a PNG. They're both types of images. You can download it as one of these, and then you can upload that to the Blackboard for the week 2/3 assignment. All right, last video, I showed you how to make a graph. This video, I'm showing you how to make a very basic graphic. Title, little information, graph, observation. You can put that together. You can download that and upload that to Blackboard by Sunday, January 28th. You're good for this week. Any questions? Reach out via email. But you can get that started by the end of this week.